What's up everyone? So welcome back to the joint rotation series. So we did our wrists last time and now we're going to focus on the elbows. So elbows, kind of similar to the wrists, we tend to put a lot of pressure on there. So when we're flexing, it's a lot of pressure on here. We're lifting weights, doing any sort of extension, that's all putting pressure on the elbow joints. And again, when we're texting here on the computer, it's in this unnatural position of being locked up. So what we're going to do is unlock the elbows, get some blood flow, and get things moving properly. Alright, so today we got the elbows. Elbows, as I said, we got a lot of pressure. Just like the wrists, we tend to not give them the love that they deserve and the love that they need for how much work and how much help they give us on a daily basis. So if you do a lot of, especially heavy lifting, for all you big bodybuilders out there, your joints are taking a lot of heat. Yes, your muscles can handle it most of the time, but your joints, not so much. That takes some wear and tear, and again, repetitive motion is going to cause some inflammation, cause the wearing away as these bones start to rub against each other. So what we're going to do is loosen that up and get some healing in there. So first thing I like to do is just do some basic circles one way. See the range of motion. And you might hear some snap, crackle, pops. That's okay, as long as there's no pain. Might be a little uncomfortable, but learn your limits. Yeah, there's some good cracks. Go the other direction. Just tuning in, seeing what it needs, how it feels. Then just go up and down. Again, I like to support it. You don't have to, but I just feel like it gives a little extra support. So I'm really focusing just on the joint as opposed to using the muscles to stabilize. Now just kind of like to twist a little because the forearm is connected all down here, down the hands and the wrist, into the elbows. Just doing a little rotation of the hand. Gets all these muscles going. Just shake it on out. Alright, so now what I like to do, because there is a lot of pressure in here, I just kind of take my finger and just do a light massage. Light little self-massage around the elbow joint. This is great for breaking up any scar tissue that might be building up, getting rid of inflammation, sending antibodies and healing into the area. So just kind of finding if there's any tender spots, going all around. And again, you don't want it to be too painful. It's gonna feel, it might feel a little tender, like mine's a little sore, but it's not painful. It's uncomfortable, but not painful. So finding all these spots within the elbow, and then you can do it on the inside too, because again, this is only one part. We can do all around here, all in the tricep, the biceps, because these all attach as well. Kind of picking at the skin, squeezing it, loosening it up. You think of cupping therapy where it's sucking everything up, so you can kind of do that to a lesser degree here along your elbow. So kind of just pulling the skin back, and again getting on the inside here, maybe using your knuckles or your thumbs, your fingers, whatever feels good for you. You can try that out. And after doing some rotations, some extensions, some twists, and some self-massage, you're going to be feeling a little bit better on that elbow. And again, you want to do the same thing to both sides. Both sides may not be equal, so you might not need to spend as much time as one as you do on the other. But again, we want to try to even ourselves out. So after you do one side, switch to the other. And let me know what you think. Hope this helps. Please subscribe to the channel, and I hope to provide you with more value as we continue. Thanks again for watching. Let me know what you think.